Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 Sierra is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the GMC Sierra AT4, power windows, locks and mirrors, and memory seating. We have the drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter with push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, integrated trailer braking system. We have a dual glove box system as well. We have those beautiful heated and ventilated black seats with the Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Duratrac all-terrain tires. We have color matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 on the front door, 5.3 liter V8 on the front fender. At the front of the vehicle, we have the 2-inch lift up front, giving you more ground clearance and room for those bigger wheel and tire packages. We have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. We have the color matched front bumper and grille with the red signature AT4 tow hooks. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows and blacked out window trim. At the back of the AT4, we have dual chrome exhaust tips, LED brake lights, color matched rear bumper, GM MultiPro tailgate, and your trailer tow package. Jumping into the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. We do have the in-seat storage feature, a solid rear window with defrost, solid roof over top with extra room for in the headliner there, and LED lighting. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.